Hello, David here, and the project for today is working on a Coleman lantern. The complaint is that it's hard to start. This is a double mantle lantern, model number 220E. Okay, I've got it pumped up. Gas cap is snug. I can hear it hissing. Try the clean out valve. Okay. I'll try to light it. Not hard to light at all. Open the valve all the way. It just went out. Close the valve. Open the valve. Try to clean out. Whoa! Almost burned my beard. I don't think this is normal. Valve's open all the way. You can see why I take the glass off. Glass would get all carboned up. It should light with this lever pointed downwards. Let's see if the starting is different with a different generator. I got a Coleman lantern generator for the model 220, 228, and 275. It says it extends the life of two mantle Coleman lanterns. She got one for me. Wait for it to cool down and then loosen this jam nut here. It's 7/16. Cleaning lever is pointed up. Careful that you don't touch the mantles, it'll probably destroy the mantles. They're very fragile. There's a hook on the bottom of the cleaning lever that goes into that hole there. That's what the hooked end of the cleaning lever looks like. That's the other end. That's what the cleaning rod looks like. Got a little fine piece of wire right on the end of it. I hope that's in focus. It's got a little piece of cardboard or something here. That's a new piece. If you want to buy one of these generators, make sure you don't buy an aftermarket one. The ones that are aftermarket don't work so well. Make sure you're getting the official Coleman part. There's a hooked end that I have to catch on that hole in there. I think when you get it in, you should lower the cleaning valve. Down. Okay, that's hooked in. Let's turn the valve. I think that's the trick. Lower the valve, that keeps it from falling off. Okay, I think that's snug. Wow, that started right up. Let's open the valve all the way. That's a huge improvement. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO. I've got another one that's kind of funny starting. This is a model 220F. Got plenty of pressure in the tank. It's a good idea to warm the generator up with a match when you start these lanterns. Get another match going. That seemed to start okay, but my question is, could the generator be going out on this, because it shouldn't be so difficult to start? And I'm wondering, can I take the generator that I just took out of that last model, clean it with some brake clean? I'm at my toxic waste site. Okay, the innards are out and I got the straw on the nozzle. Here's a needle part. Alright, this is the old generator that's been cleaned with brake clean. Seems a little bit easier. There's an option for you. Clean your generator with brake clean before you buy a new one. Once again, thanks for watching.